What if the money in your pocket wasn't just cash, but a vote for a global, borderless financial system? Bitcoin, the digital disruptor, has already rewritten the rules of finance. But where does it go from here? Is it destined to replace fiat currencies, or will it remain a volatile alternative for risk-takers? Let's explore the future of Bitcoin and uncover what's really next. Bitcoin's current position, more than just digital gold. Bitcoin started as a vision, a decentralized peer-to-peer currency free from the shackles of traditional banking. Today, it's a global asset, often called digital gold. But what does that mean for its future? 1. Bitcoin as a store of value. With its fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, Bitcoin mimics gold's scarcity. Scarcity drives demand. As the world's governments print trillions of dollars, Bitcoin's finite nature makes it a haven against inflation, hedge against economic turmoil. From financial crises to hyperinflation, Bitcoin offers an escape hatch for those looking to preserve wealth. 2. Bitcoin's role in financial systems. Bitcoin isn't just for traders or tech enthusiasts anymore. It's becoming a tool for remittances, cross-border payments, and even corporate investments. El Salvador's experiment. Making Bitcoin legal tender was a bold move that could pave the way for broader adoption. Institutional involvement. Major players like Tesla and MicroStrategy are investing billions, signaling confidence in Bitcoin's long-term potential. The challenges Bitcoin faces. While Bitcoin's potential is undeniable, it's not without hurdles. From regulation to scalability, its journey forward is anything but smooth. 1. Regulatory roadblocks. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate Bitcoin. The fear of decentralization. Governments worry about losing control over monetary policy, AML, and tax evasion concerns. Bitcoin's pseudonymous nature makes it a target for regulatory scrutiny. Will regulations legitimize Bitcoin or stifle its growth? The answer could determine its future trajectory. 2. Scalability. Can Bitcoin handle the load? Bitcoin processes about 7 transactions per second, a fraction of what payment giants like Visa can handle. The Lightning Network, a Layer 2 solution promising faster, cheaper transactions. Competing cryptocurrencies. With rivals like Ethereum and Solana offering faster transaction speeds, can Bitcoin keep up? 3. Energy consumption. Bitcoin mining consumes more electricity than some countries. Critics call it unsustainable, but solutions are emerging. Renewable energy. Many mining operations are transitioning to solar, hydro, and geothermal power, proof-of-stake alternatives. Though not an option for Bitcoin, the debate over mining methods continues to rage. What's next for Bitcoin? The future of Bitcoin hinges on its ability to adapt, innovate, and integrate into global financial systems. 1. Integration with traditional finance. Bitcoin ETFs, futures trading, and crypto-friendly banks are bridging the gap between traditional finance and the blockchain world. Mainstream adoption. Payment processors like PayPal and Square now support Bitcoin transactions. CBDCs versus Bitcoin. Central bank digital currencies are on the horizon. Will they complement or compete with Bitcoin? 2. The rise of Layer 2 solutions. Technologies like the Lightning Network could revolutionize how Bitcoin is used for everyday transactions. Micropayments. Paying for a cup of coffee in Bitcoin could become as simple as tapping your card. Smart contracts. While traditionally Ethereum's domain, Bitcoin's side chains are exploring similar functionalities. 3. Bitcoin as a universal reserve asset. Could Bitcoin replace gold as the world's reserve asset? Decentralized trust. Unlike gold, Bitcoin is easy to store, transfer, and verify. Geopolitical implications. Nations like Russia and China are exploring alternatives to the US dollar. Could Bitcoin play a role? The big picture. Bitcoin's role in a decentralized future. Bitcoin isn't just about money, it's about freedom. It challenges the status quo, empowering individuals to take control of their finances without intermediaries. Decentralization as a philosophy. Bitcoin represents a shift from centralized power structures to community-driven ecosystems. The global impact. From unbanked populations in Africa to tech hubs in Silicon Valley, Bitcoin is shaping a new financial narrative. Bitcoin's future isn't written yet, but one thing is clear: it's here to stay. Whether it evolves into a global currency, a universal store of value, or something entirely unexpected, the journey ahead promises to be as revolutionary as its origin. Now, are you ready to shape your future with Bitcoin?